Hi friends, my name is Mr. Jake. Today, let's learn how to make the letter M in sign language. Are you ready? Here we go. This is how you make an M, make an M, make an M. This is how you make an M in sign language. Very good, friends, we did it. We made an M in sign language. Now that we've done that, I think it's time to see what's hiding inside of our mystery box. Here we go. I wonder what's first. I found something. A mushroom. I wonder what's next. A mouse. He must have been playing hide and squeak.
Oh, wow.
Okay, last thing. Maraca. Mushroom. Mouse. And maraca all start with the letter M. Now, let's watch a video on maracas. Maracas are a percussion instrument. They are gourd-shaped containers filled with dried beans or similar objects and is usually played by being shaken and in pairs. Maraca.